Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to virus scan your device. So first of all, let's enter the security. And here we've got the security scan, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on I agree and wait a second. Now your device is scanning for any malware. And as you can see, this device is 100% clear and free from malware. If your device will detect any viruses, they will appear right here and you will be able to successfully remove them. So actually, that's all. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.